Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Marky. And today, the recipe na ituturo ko sa inyo is yung Hainanese chicken. Sobrang sarap ito. Favorite ko to talaga. Nung natikman ko siya sa Singapore when we visited one of our family friend there. Pinakain niya kami ng Hainanese chicken. Sobrang sarap talaga. Pero hindi siya originated sa Singapore. This is originated in Hainan, China. So it's a Chinese food and sobrang dali lang ito lutuin kasi boiled chicken lang siya. And every time magluluto kayo, don't forget to wash your hands para ma-prevent natin yung cross contamination. So yun, actually itong Hainanese chicken na to, hindi naman siya talaga yung mahirap lutuin. Medyo madami siyang procedure, pero since ako lang to, gagawin natin siyang simple para relatable sa lahat. Okay. So wash lang ng kamay. Proper hand washing and sanitizing is very good. So ayun. Okay, so we're done with the hand washing. Malinis na yung kamay natin and ready na tayo mag-handle ng foods. So for the ingredient, we need chicken. This is whole chicken legs. This is the thigh and the drumstick. We need ginger. This ginger is enough for the whole recipe. We need garlic cloves. We need onion leaves, scallions, or mismong onion na pwede na din. And lemon. And then we have rice here for the Hainanese rice. And also we need water, salt and pepper for taste. Okay, let's do it. So first what we need to do is the rice, the Hainanese rice. Ganun lang din. Same lang sa pagsasaing ng kanin. Same procedure lang. Hugasan nyo and then put equal water. Same ng bigas. And then just put your ginger. This is enough. See it? This one. Put it like that. And then put scallions. Put salt and pepper, yung enough lang for yung feeling yung konti lang, hindi siya dapat maalat, yung medyo meron lang kick ng salt. And then put little bit of oil. Alright, so that's fine. Lagay nyo lang siya sa rice cooker nyo. And then just the way it is. Okay, so for our main ingredient naman, which is the chicken, maghiwa lang ito ng ginger. And guys, gumagamit talaga ako ng ginger na may balat, pero hinugasan ko itong mabuti. Disclaimer. Nilalagay ko yung garlic sa ilalim kasi para hindi siya mag-stick sa ilalim. And then crush your garlic. Yan lang, sobrang easy. And konting lemon. Konting lemon lang para lang alis yung lansa ng chicken. And this is the chicken. What you need to do is crack this. So pilay na siya. Yung skin nasa taas. Ilagay nyo na din yung inyong scallions. Ayan. Ilagay sa ilalim. And then, lagay nyo na siya ng tubig. Cold water muna. Let's start sa high heat. And then, season it with salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then put a little bit of oil. Pag medyo kumukulo na siya, lower heat to medium heat. And cook it for 30 minutes for this size of chicken. And if you will use the whole chicken, cook it for 45 to an hour. Okay, so let's just wait. Ayan, so kung kumukulo na siya, pwede mo nang i-lower yung heat sa medium heat. And put the and just continue cooking as well as the rice. It's already been cooking as well. Alam mo dito yung amoy Chinese restaurant na. So, yun. So, while waiting for this one, I'm just going to prepare the sauce. So, wait lang. Okay, so while waiting guys, gumawa muna ako ng sauce. Ito. This is the sweet soy sauce for the chicken. This is 2 parts ng oyster sauce and 1 part ng soy sauce. And if you want it ng maanghang, lagyan nyo lang ng chili powder or yung fresh chili is fine as well. And then put 1 tablespoon of sugar para manilis na siya. And then I have another sauce here. This is the usual sauce for the Hainanese chicken. The garlic and ginger sauce with oil. Masarap to guys. Nagawa ako ng different vlog for this one. Kasi sobrang useful dito. You can use this directly panggisa ng chicken or yeah, pwede nyo siyang gamitin sa lahat. Sarap to. So ayun, naghihintay pa din ako. I still have 10 minutes? No, 7 minutes bago matapos itong niluluto. I think the rice is done already. 2 minutes na lang guys niluluto na to. And then after this, i-rest nyo lang yung chicken nyo kasi napagod siya. I-rest nyo yung chicken nyo. Yun yung mga style. Pag nagluto kayo ng mga prito or mga boiled chicken, wag na siya agad ihain. I-rest nyo siya for 15 minutes para yung juice niya magstay dun sa loob ng chicken pa din. Hindi siya lalabas. And then kakalat pa yun sa buong laman. Ayun lang. 15 minutes resting ng mga foods na luto nyo. Lalo na mga boiled, mga poached. So ayun lang. 2 minutes more. Okay, so yan. We're good. Luto na siya. Hayaan nyo lang yung ako dyan. Kunin nyo na siya isa-isa. Just be careful. Mainit ko. Okay, so everything is good. Yung chicken nakapag-rest na. Mag-plating na tayo. Okay, so yan na siya. Hainanese chicken. Okay, so luto na natin. So, andito na tayo sa pinaka-favorite kong portion. Ang tikiman portion. So, this is your Hainanese chicken. Super favorite. Titikman na natin siya. Yan. Yung sweet soy sauce. Yung garlic and ginger. Marina Bay Sands. Come on, ang sarap. And let's try the rice. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Nakatingin na naman ako sa ayan. Ang sarap. So lahat ng gusto mag-try nito, nakita nyo naman yung procedure. Sarap. Good job ulit. Good job. Ang sarap. So, ayun. So, follow the instruction. This is my simplified version of Hainanese chicken. Super bilis ng lutuin. Actually naman boil lang. Tapos yung rice and then yung ginger and garlic sauce. I'll make another vlog for that para ma-share ko din sa inyo. And yun guys, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching me cooking this recipe. And if you like that, please give a thumbs up like this, comment and share. Then don't forget to subscribe. Just click this YouTube icon and you'll automatically see the subscribe button here and automatically subscribe to me. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. If you follow this recipe, please let me know. Nakikita ko naman kung meron ko na. Thank you.